Growing up disabled, I think I always wanted to go into healthcare, but it wasn't that I received OT myself until I found out about what it was. And I realised that I wanted to be that person because I saw the power that OT had to change a life. When I came to the university to meet the teachers, it felt like they were so diverse and I could see myself reflected in the teaching team. They have a wide variety of practice experience and research interests, but also in terms of who they are, it was something that I'd not seen at other universities. Like, we have lecturers who are of different ethnic backgrounds, who are disabled, with lived experience, and that was something that I really valued about this university because this brings a different level to the teaching here. So the quality of teaching at Huddersfield is very engaging, it's very interactive, very hands-on. We have guest lecturers come in who are working in practice or they are disabled themselves and have received OT, which allows us to think about what our practice will look like in the future. Huddersfield have a community house in a new building, and this allows us to sort of see what being an OT will be like when we go into people's homes, and we're able to do assessments in this environment and think about how we can support people to live safely at home. In first year I had 2 placements, so I had one in a residential learning disabilities home and I had one in a nursing home for mental health. And then in year 2 I had a 6-week placement in a community children's therapy team. I learned what it actually feels like to be an OT and what it feels like to look after people and have them invite you into their lives, and I think it really put into perspective a lot of the teaching that we've gotten here. The top skills that I've learned on my course include communication with staff but also patients as well. Resilience, it's really hard to be an OT sometimes, and I think having the teaching here has prepared me for that. And creativity in terms of finding solutions and interventions, like helping people live the best life that they want to live. So when I graduate, I'm hoping to become a qualified OT. I don't know what practice setting I want to work in yet, but I think that is the beauty of the course. It helps you find areas that you never would have considered before. Come to an open day at Huddersfield, meet the teaching team, meet your course mates, find out what the course is like, and maybe fall in love with it the same way that I did.